I had some more tests that I wanted to run with the 17-4 filament. So I printed two topology optimized bottle openers. The first test being just a vanilla virtual foundry process, but with a low temperature sinter. The next being liquid phase sintering. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this to work. My kiln just does not reach the required temperatures with the vanilla process. However, I did see some pretty promising results on the liquid phase part. The vanilla part was noticeably weaker than the liquid phase part, and I could see some copper shining on the surface. Simply put, liquid phase sintering involves using a lower melting point alloying metal that pretty much gets sucked up into the primary metal. This reduces porosity and increases strength, and also decreases the temperature that you need to sinter at. Most people might think this part is dirty or not metal, but this is just to scale and it comes off pretty easily with some post-processing. The vanilla part was still much stronger than my previous test with the 2.5 hour hold time, but definitely not functional yet. I'm pretty excited about the liquid phase part though, because it feels strong to the touch, and the copper was clearly absorbed to the surface. For more info on this process, I did about a half-hour live stream, which I'll link at the end of this video. I'm a little bummed out that my kiln can't quite reach the temperature necessary for the vanilla process, but incredibly excited on the progress for the liquid phase. Is progress enough, though, to put this to the test? Not quite, but I'm pretty excited about this even still. With my entry-level hardware, I shouldn't have been able to make steel at all, yet I'm holding an almost functional part. Cheers.